G'day traders, John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. I just want to do a very quick update on Bitcoin and the markets. We can see there's a little bit of green going on here, which is nice. But you know what's really going on here? We've gone up and gone down. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I got a text today. I've got some a lot of channels really that I've subscribed to back in the past and whatever. So every now and then I get like a headline that comes up, and I got this headline today saying that Bitcoin was in a V-shaped recovery. Now, I don't know where the V-shaped recovery is, but anyway, that's the heading that I got. If we and I just wanted to kind of do a very basic, quick rundown of Bitcoin. So here we are making higher highs, higher lows. Now we've kind of reached the high here, and we're making lower highs and lower lows, which is confirmed. That means we're in a downtrend. We're broken lows here, which means we're in a longer term downtrend now because we're broken some key levels. So here we are, we're broken down below here. We do have some good volume that's come back in, but we're in between there and there. And so if we turn around here, let's just have a look at what we've got above us if we're going to be buying or, like looking to buy this potential V-shaped recovery, which I can't see. We've got a resistance line, which, used to be support like way back here, but it just, it's only got one, we can kind of drag this back here a little bit. To there, and we can kind of see, actually just bring it down a fraction, make the line straight. We can kind of see that there's a little bit of stuff here, like there's resistance there, popped over, resistance there, broke through, and then we found support there, and then we've broken through and we've got resistance here. But let's have a look at the other things that are above us. We've got the 9 EMA, we've got the 40,000 mark, we've got the downtrending line, we've got the 50, and then we've got the 200. So each thing that it breaks through is going to take a lot of money to get there. And how many, if we're looking at big money buying down here, at looking at going up, like this is not big money. Big money isn't buying this. This is amateur traders that are buying this. If big money waits for the perfect setup, like this is all big money. All these wicks here are big money taking all the stop losses from the weaker investors, from the amateur traders, and then all of a sudden, this is big money that's turned up here. This is big money that's turned up here. I can't see big money here. I can see that there's, a little bit of, stochastics still oversold coming out. That's nice. We're going to increase in selling volume on the way down. We're going to decline in buying volume on the way up. That's kind of not very good. This monstrous wick here on this candle here is indecision. So the decision is not made. This next candle is indecision. The decision is not made. This candle here is still alive. And so this candle, it can't be read, or it can't be considered really as end of day data until it's the end of day, which is going to be 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So at the moment, we are trading and living below this $38,000 resistance level. As soon as we break that, we've got the 9. And have a look at how obedient it's been to the 9. It popped up once and gave a nice engulfing to the south. And then here we go. And then, so we've got this here. The 9, if it breaks through the 9 and closes above there, even then I'm not going to be very excited about it. But because have a look at this, we've still got lows, highs, high, low, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And so there is nothing to say that this trend is turn or is turning at this stage. All we do is have a little bit of, buyback. We've had some solid profits. So if you're short selling this, a lot of people are short sold this and taken profits down here. Well, I did. And then, I don't know where I took my profit, somewhere in here. I don't know. But, it's gone up here. Now, what I'll be looking for here is a potential reversal. There's so much stuff up here. Amateur traders can't see that. But if you're looking at what big money is looking at, the 9 major resistance levels, downtrending lines, we're in a downtrend. We're under the 50, under the 200. This is saying don't buy, stay away, keep your money safe. Don't, at this stage here, in this kind of market, remember, Bitcoin moves the market. So, we're at 37,600 at the moment, and Bitcoin is 70% of the, actually, I think it's only about 50% of the market. But, when Bitcoin moves, everything else does. So if Bitcoin is looking this drastically weak, have a look at what happened here with these wicks. Yeah, a little bit of a pop pullback, a little bit of a pop pullback, like this slow, long draining, this is designed to tire out the last of the investors And then when they got the last of the stop losses, bang, then they start. And so this here, this is just a long wick. I see this as just institutional investors getting all the stop losses, and you know, they're just going to drag this out for a while. I see it. You know, we can kind of see that, you know, it trends up, it trends down, it trends up, it trends down, and we're down below these lows here. I want more proof if I'm going to be looking at any sort of buying. This is not buying material whatsoever. Actually, to be honest, it's not even shorting material yet. But as we come up here, you know, we are under this resistance level, and we are under the 9. You know, we might even come up here and touch these levels here. Actually, that's not a bad one. I can kind of see something there. I'll just bring that down. So we have, you know, we've got a bit of a touch there, breaking through. We've got a touch there and a touch there, quite accurate. We could, you know, break the 9, touch that and pull back and close below the 9. Or it could give us another opportunity, like if we wanted to go short, a buy and, you know, a weak buying rally and then a big strong selling, closing back below the 9. However, in saying that, if I was to be shorting that, it'd only be down to about this line here, simply because, you know, this run looks extended. It wouldn't surprise me. You know, I'm thinking that what we will probably see in this is an extension of that. No, just how quick is it to set an alarm on here? Remove. Yep. So I'm seeing an extension of that line there. Actually, I'll just get rid of that and just extend these, make it easier. So if I am looking at those lines to there, and then I'm looking at this line to here as support like that. So I'm kind of thinking that this is going to kind of squiggle around in between here, but at some stage it's going to break down the lower side, break to the upside. Wouldn't even surprise me if it came in over here and had a quick pop to the top to take out all the stops. This is what big money does. They will play along, and then all of a sudden they'll have a big buying candle. This is the first failure. A big buying candle, and then they get everyone interested, everyone involved, all the buyers start buying in, even ones that were short end up covering the shorts and taking a loss here. And then anyway, big money sells it off, and then we're back down in the downtrend again. And so this is the kind of thing that I'll be expecting from big money to be playing the game like this. So anyway, I just wanted to put that in there. Do a quick run on Bitcoin. There's the quick run on Bitcoin. I don't see any sort of reason. I mean, look at it. You know, where does it say buy? It doesn't. And so I'm thinking there's going to be, you know, like trading that's going to be in here until it breaks out of this level here. I'm not going to be interested in it at all. You know, like if it comes up to here, that's fine. You know, like it's definitely not a buy. If it trades up and it's pushing up here, you know, it's not a buy. When it breaks out through here, you know, like, nah, not interested. I'm just not interested. Look at it. You know, this to me looks like take your money out of your account money. Sorry, trading. And so anyway, like I've been here before and I'm not going to go there again. Anyway, traders, keep your money safe. Protect your account at any cost. You know, like if you don't have an account to trade, if you don't protect it properly, you won't be able to trade because you won't have an account. So it's a very, very important, protect your account. Don't, you know, like I wouldn't recommend, if we're doing end of day data, you know, I know that's 39,000 and it's gone down to 29,000. Yeah, we can get on the 4-hour chart. We can see some good entries. If anything, I'll be looking for a push up to this line here, maybe trading sideways for a week or something. And then I'll be looking for engulfing reversals off there to the downside. That is probably what I'll be looking at this stage. V-shaped recovery? No. It's, you know, you cannot call a recovery from here. Anyway, traders, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you continue having a great day on this beautiful Australia Day. All right, I'll talk to you again soon. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, see you.